So I've been called the Massage Gun King because we have all kinds of review videos on massage guns, even one comparing 13 different kinds. But how can I be the Massage Gun King if I haven't taken one apart yet? So we're going to do just that. So I started getting curious, what is inside a massage gun? I had a good idea in my head, but I wanted to know for sure. So one of my favorites, the Tokfit, I'm going to take this apart and see what's inside. So let's get started. First things first, I want to get the battery off, which I believe is right here. Okay, and I will say, I mean, do this at your own risk, but I'm just doing it mostly for your entertainment and my curiosity. So looks like there's a little button here that releases the battery. I don't see anything else holding that battery in, so I'm just going to push here. I'm going to jump over to this other camera so you can kind of see. I have my handy dandy iFixIt toolkit here. I'll set this kind of aside. But as I push here and pull, come on. Oh, here it comes. Oh, yeah. They say it's not user replaceable. All you have to do is push really hard and pull really hard. Looks user replaceable to me. And look, they even tell you which side the front is. So that's convenient. It says front with a little arrow. Convenient. So battery, check. Ooh, when you turn it on, it's flashing red. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like it. Okay. Wow, we're rolling. Okay, here's the massage gun. So now, obviously, looks like I'm going to just take the head out for now. Obviously don't need that. So I see a screw here and 4 more screws there within the cover. So I'm going to grab my screws out. So again, I was just kind of curious, what does it even look like inside here? So I'm going to kind of grab a small flathead. Now we have, let's see inside here, 4 Phillips screws inside there. It's really light, by the way. When you take that battery off, these massage guns are incredibly light. I always thought they were kind of top heavy, but there's not much weight to these. So I'm gonna grab my little, let's see, probably this little Phillips guy will do the job. This is a magnetic tip, so that will definitely come in handy. I'm guessing, ooh, a little bit fatter than that. That's true. Ah, tricky. Somebody's on tray. Why did they do such a thing? No. No, that's real. Yeah. Do it. So, these are the order. Look at that. That fits perfectly inside there. Any more, that would have not fit. So that's good. Definitely excited about that. I think that's where next is. Not just a much. Also, in case you're wondering, you can see there. Yes. Jump back over. Also, in case you're wondering, I did hit my head. So, that's what that is. Jumping back. Okay. It's over here. It's coming. Okay. These switchers here. This here. So it looks like I'll pop this back off because that's kind of holding this on. Maybe. Put it off. Oh, a little twist. So you can see we have the connectors here for the circuit board. It turns on and off the back. So this one's a little push tab. Pull that one off. I'm an IT guy by trade, so taking stuff apart like this doesn't really bother me. I've done this to laptops and all kinds of stuff. Does this one have a connector? It does. I almost pulled too hard. It has a connector on this side that you push to pull off. You can tell that the pins are different sizes, so that makes it convenient. Okay. Nice. Now, oh, look at that. So, this is the bottom connector. Here, there's your release button. Release button for the battery. And then this is providing the power from the battery. That's pretty cool. So obviously that connects into the circuit board, gives it power. This goes up into the motor. So obviously you got a motor up there which spins, and all it does is spin this axle back and forth. So let's see. Ooh, that's a little greasy. That's a little slimy. So as the motor turns, here's what it does, right? So it goes around in a circle like this. Just goes around in that circle, which then pushes this piston back and forth. You can see a little bit of grease or lube, so obviously it's a little quieter when it does that. Yeah. What do you think? Should we keep going? Should we keep taking more and more apart? See what it actually is? Also, the nice thing is, if I forget how this goes back together, I'll just watch this in reverse. So there's the bolt holding that head on. Okay. I'll pop this back in. I'll set that next to there. Pop this back in. This tool allows me to get these loose because they're actually very tight. Okay. Okay. Folks. So there's an old trick where if you take a rubber band and you put that rubber band around your tip, and then that can sometimes create the extra friction needed. Oh, I think it worked. It can create that extra friction you sometimes need. I'm gonna keep trying this. I'm on a mission. I'm on a mission. I want this to work so bad. I want to see what the top of that motor looks like, even though it's probably all covered and just has a cylinder. There we go. There it is, guys. Yes. Okay. Now I pull this out. Boink. There it is. Wow. So, should we try to assemble it here? So that's just the piston, obviously. That's actually fairly heavy. Let's do this. Let's do this, guys. On. Okay. Okay, guys. Here we go. I think. Air. Air. Why is there an air? I suppose there's a sensor or something. I'm not sure. Maybe I entirely broke it. Either way, let me know what you guys think. Was this cool? Was this not? E3, guys. Getting an air. Either way, this was kind of a fun project. I hope you guys had some fun. Thanks, Tokfit, for letting me take your massage gun apart, even though I didn't ask. So, there's that. All in all, is it what you expected? It's what I was expected. I didn't think it was going to be quite that big. I thought, you know, those big shrouds were mostly for looks or whatever, but this is actually heavier than I thought. Just that single piece and this piece. The rest is mostly plastic, obviously. Yeah, simple circuitry. This one has a digital screen. Some of them don't even have that, so it's going to be even easier. But all in all, I think it's been kind of a fun project to do. Now, hopefully, I can get it back together and get it working again. And if not, I just ruined my massage gun for science. This was fun. Did it entirely for fun. So, hope that was fun for you too. Till next time. See ya.